Do you struggle writing social media posts, advertisements, email subject lines? Does your website or landing page need help converting visitors into customers? Or perhaps you are looking for a job in the marketing world. If you said yes to any of these questions, you need to learn copywriting. And our copywriting bootcamp is the perfect place to learn how to do so in a quick and easy way.
After taking this course, you'll come away with an in-depth knowledge of how to use words to not just sell a product or service, but how to connect with an audience on a deeper and more authentic level. Anything you write to grow your brand is copywriting, so it's a skill every business owner needs. Plus, it's a highly valuable skill to have for job seekers.
You'll learn copywriting for a complete marketing campaign. Start by understanding your brand's voice, target audience, and competition. Develop headlines that follow the 3 C's: concision, clarity, and cleverness. Tailor your copy for websites and landing pages, email marketing campaigns, and all of your social media posts.
You'll even learn how to write great copy for audiovisual content, such as video content or radio spots. Then, put it all together by crafting a campaign that can successfully launch a brand new business or product. Whether you have an existing audience or if you're starting from scratch, we'll give you a proven step-by-step plan. Finally, we have an entire section dedicated to getting work as a copywriter.
Once you enroll, you get instant access to easy and fun to watch video lessons, practical activities with a downloadable worksheet, real-world case studies that show how what we're teaching actually works for our own businesses, instructor support if you ever get stuck and have a question, lifetime access to course updates, and so much more.
We're here to make learning copywriting fun and easy. So what are you waiting for? Click that enroll button and we'll see you in class.